Hello, kids. Welcome to the Little Wondering Minds.
Let's play a preposition quiz to boost your brain power. The cat is on the table. The book is under the chair. The bag is inside the box. The mouse is next to the bed. The mouse is near the bed. The dog is between the books. The boy is inside the house. The sun is above the flowers. The ball is in front of the car.